today is install day of the 5 floating shelves. We've got the one 12-foot shelf above, and then we'll have the 4 64-inch shelves below. So I'll show you what the wall looks like, and then we'll start putting together the cleats that will hold up the shelves. Here is the wall that is going on. The top of the shelf is going to be 16 inches from the ceiling. All right, so now I got the 2x4 on the wall. I'm using some Simpson brackets, angle irons to hold it in place so it's 90 degrees to the wall. And then I'm going to start drilling holes for the lag screws. I got 6-inch lag screws, which I'm going to inset into the 2x4 with a washer to really draw it to the wall. Here's a look at the top of the 2x4. What I did was just take the hole saw and just to make sure that I was in the center of each of the studs before I go to start drilling these 1/2-inch lag screws in. I want to make sure I'm in the center of the stud and that the stud is, or the shelf here is 90 degrees to the wall. There's 2 of the lags in there with the washers. Already this is super solid against the wall. I'm just going to go in and fill in. Not sure if I'm going to hit every stud, but I may, just to ensure, because we have to project out another 3.5 inches off of this to support the shelf. You can see all the lag screws and the washers in. It's very stiff. I didn't fill in every stud, but I did tried one of those ledger locks in a couple areas, which I probably could have gotten away with using those without pre-drilling and everything, but I wanted to make sure that the shelf doesn't go anywhere. So next step is attaching another stud to the front and keeping that 90 degrees to the wall as well. I may end up, instead of using one entire stud, cut some blocks to keep down some of the weight, but we'll see how this goes. All right, so I mounted the other 2x4, laying it flat and securing it with ledger lock, 6-inch lags, and just put the shelf up, and it's fitting nice and snug and sturdy, level, all that. 4 more to go. Three shelves in, just finished the cleat for the 4th one. See, I got the ledge lock screws to attach the additional 2x4 for support. The back one is in with 1/2-inch, 6-inch lags to the studs, and this is plenty sturdy. Here are all the floating shelves installed. One top is the 12-footer. We got 4 64-inch smaller ones. Be a TV in the middle here, and then I will be doing a faux brick finish above the countertop. This 2-inch thick maple glue edge countertop. Went pretty well. I feel pretty good about how sturdy they are, and I'll call this one complete. Thanks for watching.